Hello friends, myself Envy Lahamge, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, MVP Samaj, Nasik. In this video, we will see the different line editor commands for processing any data. We all know that line editor only functions up to a single line, means the scope of any line, any command is limited to that single line. So these are the editors used for editing the files, and this displays the prompts and keep waiting for user commands. Means, for example, here it is a situation like dollar is a prompt, and next is the next command means dot backslash line editor data1.txt. This is a simple command for a demo. Means the line editor will always use us the option like it will displays the dollar symbol, means the new prompt for your commands. Now we have to see the different commands of line editor. First is the P. You can use it as a capital P or you can use it as a small p. What is the P? It is used to print the specific content of any file. There are various forms of these commands. Means if we use a simple P, it will print all the lines of the file which you had specified in the as a input file to output the data. Pn, that is P space separated n, is the function like it prints only nth line of your file. If you want to specify the files like from P command you had printed the all data, from Pn we had printed only the nth lines of that data, but we have to deal with the specific ranges, then we will pass pmn. M is the starting point, n is the last point, means it will print all the data between these m and n lines. Means where the printing function is required, we will use the P as an option in the line editor. Next one is the C. As its initial indicates, it is the copy command. Here also this copy command, the previous file, that is the printable file, only displays the output on the console, means output device, but this C means the copy commands will displays the output in the next file, means the another file which is created to store the copy data from first file to second file. So cm.n is nothing but the function which copies mth specific lines to nth positions, and m.n.p copies the lines from m to n and place it to the pth position. Means first the m.n specifies, means it copies these mth lines to specific nth lines, and when we take it as a m.n.p, it will place the m to n, means m lines to n lines, and position it to the p lines. This is the copy command. Next is the m. As also its initial indicates, m or m means you can use the small m or capital M for this purpose. These are used to move lines from one place to another place in a file. As like copy commands, m comma n moves the n line to nth positions, and m dot n it specifies or moves the lines from m to n and place it in the pth position. Means we can take it as a same, means it will move the lines, it will move these lines to this and place at this position. Moving and copying are the different functions having its own specific meaning. Capital D or D is the function used to delete files, means used to delete lines from any specific file. Dn indicates the specific nth line from our file, and m comma n is nothing but the deleting the lines from m to n. Next is the function to line editor, that is insert function, means it will insert the specific lines into specific positions, means I or small I. What is the different mechanisms? If we take I as a command name and n as the parameter, then it will insert nth lines into the file. If we take it as a m comma n, then it will insert mth line to specific mth position, means the position and line numbers, means lines are specified by the user. Second, L or I, means the next is the capital L or small l. As its initial indicates, these are used to load the new files in the memory. Suppose we are only using the syntax as capital L. Here it will only reload the content of the same file, which is the actual file. But when we specify the file name after it, then it will load the content of the file name or the name specified in that file into our memory. Loading is nothing but taking a snapshot or taking a visualization of that file into our that positions, means the files which are saved elsewhere are always saved, but their copies will make into our memory. All that we have done, like copying, inserting, moving, deleting, printing, but in computer point of view, one special function, means the save function, is the main function. So S is used to save the content into the file. Again, if we use the single S, then it saves the content of the same file, means which was previous, and if we specify the file name after it, then it will saves the content of that file name. And last command of the line editors is nothing but the Q, that is the, we can use it as a capital Q or small q. All the processes will have to be stopped anywhere. So Q is the stop current execution line editor and control in transferred to operating system. Means if we are executing as this, it will stop the execution of our line editor function and it will give us the new prompt to display next commands. These are the different commands used for line editing function.